Welcome to Completely Irrelevant. Today we're gonna shoot this cannon. It's a pneumatic cannon that I built a couple years back. I'm gonna take the time to show you what's up with this thing and we'll get started. Right here I just built a remote trigger so that you don't have to be right next to it if you don't want to while you're shooting it. And then right here is an attachment for a trigger if you wanted to hold it actually like a cannon on a tripod. You can just click that and it hits the solenoid. So let's get started. Right here, you have the air tank for the cannon. It's where all the air holds in to shoot off the ball from the cannon, which is on the other side. So what happens is the air is coming through here, through the valve, holds in the tank right here as shown, and then right here hits a solenoid, which is an electric sprinkler solenoid you can get at any hardware store for about 20 bucks. And that's the transfer that goes all the way over here around and shoots the ball out of the cannon. So that's electrically operated. So we're gonna get started today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. 95 PSI, and we got a golf ball wrapped in duct tape here. We're gonna cram that in the gas hole.
Jam that in the gas bucket.
Shoot fireballs at it.
3, 2, 1.
What are we shooting?
We're gonna be shooting these duct tape balls. They have a golf ball core, which is pretty awesome, and we're just gonna wrap them in duct tape to get the optimal size. Believe it or not, tennis balls are too big for this type of tubing. It's standard conduit tubing you get for electrical purposes, but you gotta make a special ball unless you find the perfect one, which is fine, because they actually work really good. Count it off.
3, 2, 1. We're gonna play dodge the duct tape golf ball.
Just need some more distance, man. We're gonna grease these babies up. Grease for lubrication. So much more slippery already. It's so good. You know, if I was gonna have an application for this cannon, it really wouldn't be anything. It's purely pleasure at this point. But it is pretty fun. Like, you know, our dog Stan right here, he likes to chase balls once in a while, so maybe we can shoot for him. What we have is a Nerf dart attachment.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know about that floppy one, man. It's a little long.
3, 2, 1. Oh no! My silicone wasn't strong enough.
It's just a lot of fun shooting things. Empty can. Charge it up.
Does it have enough power to shoot a potato?
Dude, yeah.
100 PSI. 3, 2, 1.
But the potato would have to be optimally sized. You might have to get like a big potato, shave it around the edges to slide in there. You want to have it pretty airtight in that cannon.
I don't think our seal was very good. Let's see. We made it about 20 feet.
Cheese? All kinds, man. I really like extra sharp cheddar. It makes my cheeks all warm and fuzzy, man.
That's weird.
It's true though. Like, it gives me this warm, tingly feeling whenever I have cheese, like right here. Some people say I'm allergic, but I think I just really like cheese. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, dude, that was awesome. It had really good accuracy.
Yeah.
That didn't work.
What can we do to plug up the hole? All we have to do is plug that hole. You know?
I don't know. I can't think of anything. Nothing at all. Shoved a golf ball in it.
Oh, nice. All right, pool noodle with 2 golf balls inside. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, nice.
Oh!
All right, so those pool noodles didn't really work very well because the silicone just doesn't adhere exactly like we need to. This one is glued on with a PVC glue, so it kind of melted the noodle to the end a little bit, so hopefully we'll have a little bit better luck. Let's try it out.
In 3, 2, 1. Ah, false.
An apple works. I've actually tried an apple. A couple years ago when I built this, I shot a couple apples out of here.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. We're gonna hit the tree over there, just exploded the apples like no other. It was great. Get it in there.
Oh,
yeah, so juicy. Nice. Good job.
Oh.
So tough.
Here we go.
You want to press the button?
Nope.
Okay, I will. This is apple core in 3, 2, 1.
Excellent distance.
Let me see that apple core, man. How'd it do?
Pretty torn up.
Pretty chunk.
We're gonna see if we can stuff it back.
I know I gotta be a 5 in here somewhere. Okay. Tastes like grease.
Duct tape ball.
110 pounds of pressure.
125.
125? Nice. 3, 2, excuse me. 1.
Today we broke out the air cannon. A lot of fun.
It was really fun. Surprisingly, the Apple won over the Golf Ball tenfold. Definitely way better of a solution. A little bit more expensive though.
That wasn't surprising.
We'll see you next time here on
Use a potato.
Completely Irrelevant. 1, 2, 3. Completely Irrelevant. Completely Irrelevant.
You say it too fast.
Okay.
Completely
irrelevant.
Completely irrelevant.
.com.
New merch.
Link.
Right on the top.
Check out the new hats from Completely Irrelevant. It says Comp-er. That's an abbreviation. .com.
This is a lot of fun. We'll play with this again.
We'll get out next time. Maybe give it a good paint job. Maybe get some better balls.
Better ball. I didn't know it was going to sound like an air horn.
I know, it sounds great.